Grindr, how to restore chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can restore chats on Grindr, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can only restore a chat if you had backed it up. So you open up Grindr, then you tap on the profile icon from the top left, then you go to settings over here. Under settings, if you scroll down, one of the options there is called chat backup. So only if you have backed up your chats to a certain account, which is a Google account, backup to your Google Drive, then you will be able to restore them whenever you try to log in next time on maybe another device or something like that. So the Grindr chats are also end-to-end encrypted. Only if you choose to back them up, next time whenever you try to log in, you'll find the option to restore. If you hadn't backed up, you will not find it. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.